Number 14 says, the physician orders 1/2 grain of codeine sulfate. The pharmacy supplies a 1/4 grain per 5 milliliter solution. How much should be given to the patient? So I need to identify the label or the available medicine, and I see the word per here. So 1/4 grain per 5 milliliters is going to go right here, and then the order is for 1/2 grain. And then I just put an X right here. Again, I want to put the 1/2 grain on top so that my units match. I don't want to put it on the bottom because the bottom has milliliters. Okay, so I see fractions here, and I don't want to have fractions inside of fractions, so I'm going to convert those both to decimals. So if you just take 1 divided by 4, you get 0.25, and 1 divided by 2 to get 0.5. So this is 0.25 grains over 5 milliliters is equal to 0.5 grains over X. So I'm going to multiply the diagonal that does not have the X and then divide by the other number. So 5 times 0.5 divided by 0.25. And we get 10. So this will be 10 milliliters.